Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter 9, takhti number 9.
Takhti number 9.
And in this chapter, actually, we are going to do the practice of all what we have learned so far. Like takhti number 1 and 2, through which we can recognize the letters. So in this chapter, we will have to recognize the letters. Like takhti number 3 and 4, harakat and tanween. So as you see, we have harakat and tanween is in this chapter. Okay. So this is the example of harakat. This is the example of harakat. And this is the example of tanween. This is example of tanween. This is example of harakat. Again, tanween. Okay. And also, we are going to have the practice of standing harakat, khada zabar, khadi zer, okay, and ulta pesh. We will find it in this chapter. Also, we will find hurufe madda.
Harufi madda.
Look here, this is hurufe madda. Jim, waw, pesh, ju.
Jim, waw, pesh, ju.
Wow, sorry. Jim alif zabar ja, this is hurufe madda. So, also we will have the examples of huruf leen, like this one. Hamza ya zabar ay, this is harf leen. Kha waw zabar khaw, this is harf leen.
एक सेकेंड मेरे पास क्वेश्चन है when हम लोग को लीन करेंगे are we gonna add like ये चीज like the noon?
जी हाँ. In some examples we will be adding and joining the harakat with huruf leen, while in other examples we will be joining the harakat with standing zabar zer or pesh. So this is going to be a kind of practical of whatever we have learned so far. Okay, so this is going to be very interesting, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Yes.
एक
Okay.
सेकेंड मेरे पास क्वेश्चन है is Mama's at आपका area?
Say it again.
Is Mama's playing at आपका area?
I couldn't get the words. Mera area kya?
Mama's खोला है.
Okay. So now this is the time of Salat Fajr in my area.
So the Fajr.
The very first Salat early in the morning.
Early in the morning आपका area पे है?
Yes. And in your area, I think it is evening time. You have just gone through the noon time and night is about to come. Am I right?
Okay.
Hmm.
Noon mean like sun थोड़ा सा out है?
Yeah. So you have sun still, and we are awaiting for the sun. And after 2 hours, after 1 hour or so, sun will rise here. Okay.
ठीक है.
أعوذ بالله.
أعوذ بالله.
أعوذ أعوذ.
Aruzu.
It is ruzu, not R sound, not raw. أعوذ عوذ.
Aruzu.
It is Ain sound, Ain. أعوذ.
Aruzu.
Ain واو پیش عو.
Ain wow fish oo.
Ain واو پیش عو.
Ain wow fish oo. Aru.
नहीं, Ain واو پیش عو.
Ain wow fish oo.
Ain ألف زبر ع.
Ain alif zabar a.
Ain واو پیش عو.
Ain wow fish oo.
عين يا زارعين.
Ain yazeri.
ع
A.
عو.
Ru. Ru.
ع
A.
عو.
Ru.
عي.
I.
أعوذ بالله
A'udhu billahi
من الشيطان الرجيم.
minash shaitanir rajim.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, try to read this.
Um. Okay. Uh. Alif zabar a.
Which zabar? Standing zabar, khada zabar.
Kara zabar. Um. Kara zabar. Alif kara zabar a.
Okay, but this is not alif because alif is always empty. Okay,
Oh,
alif has no harakat, no zabar, no zir, no pesh. Since here we have the haraka, so it is not alif. What is this?
Hamza.
Shabash. Now read.
Hamza kara zabar a.
Yes.
Mim zabar ma.
Me. Sorry. Mim zabar ma.
Mim zabar ma.
Ama.
Ama.
Then
Nun zabar na.
Noon zabar na.
Nun zabar na.
Amana.
Amana.
Yes. Waqfan.
Wakufan.
Aman.
Aman.
Shabash. Continue.
एक सेकंड मेरे पास एक क्वेश्चन है like the
Yes.
one with the एक second with the one with the wala do we do like say like this noon zabar noon
No, not noon. Because noon is the name of this shape and na is the sound of this shape. So after nominating it, after mentioning the name, then we have to mention the sound. So we don't say noon zabar noon because we are not going to mention the name again. We need to mention the sound of this name. So noon zabar na.
noon zabar na.
Yes.
Like essay. Like when you say like noon zabar na. Like when you say na is always like you make when you say it, and the na is very short. The na is short, but the other piece is very long. As parte you are zabar wale.
Yes.
Simple zabar.
Simple zabr. Because this is simple zabr. Shabash. Next.
And simple base.
It is coming. Those examples are coming, inshallah. Okay. Wait for them.
Okay. Um Hamza Hamza kali zabar
Hamza khala zabr a.
Hamza kara zabar
Wow. Khala zabr wa.
wow kara zabar wa
Ya bana?
awa
Shabash. Awa.
awa
Waqfan.
wakufan
Awa.
awa.
So this is not going to change, okay?
Okay.
Amana became Aman. It changed. But Awa will still be Awa. Before Waqfan and after Waqfan as well. Okay?
Okay.
Awa. Waqfan. Awa.
Awa
Next.
Hamza kara 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 zabar noon zer na
Noon Zerni.
noon zer ni
Ani.
ani. Oh, क्या था? Ta.
Two dots and
Oh,
beneath the
yeah,
letter.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah, yes.
yeah, zabar yeah.
Now join
Hello,
them. What became now?
anaya,
Nia.
ania.
Shabash.
Okay.
Next is Ta.
Ta do um zertin
Yes.
tarutin
Aniyatin.
taniatin
Aniyatin.
aniatin
Waqfan.
wakufan
Aniya.
ania.
Okay.
uh,
Next.
Hamza Hamza kara zer
Hamza kari zer e.
Hamza kari zer e
Lam khada zabar la.
kara zabar
Ila.
ila
Then
fal zer fi
yes.
um
Ilafi.
ila fi
Waqfan.
wakufan
إيلاف.
إيلاف.
Shabash.
Alif.
Not alif, okay? Hamza.
Hamza Zabar. A.
Not alone, not alone. Hamza needs to carry this second one along with him because the second one is sakin. Do you remember the sign of sakin? A tiny kind of dal.
D.
So this is sakin. And a sakin
Sakin.
word is dependent on the word that carries haraka before it. Sakin cannot stand alone. He cannot stand on his own. So he needs someone who can carry him. So he relies on the harakat before it. So Hamza ya zabar ay.
Hamza Ya Zabar A.
Yes, like we did in Huruf Leen chapter. Hamza was
Haruf
aw.
Leen.
Yes, Hamza ya zabar ay. Do you remember?
G.
So this is harf leen. Hamza ya zabar ay.
Hamza Ya Zabar A.
Then
Um, Noon Zabar Na.
noon zabar na.
Noon Zabar Na.
Aina
Aina.
waqfan ain.
Wakufan Ain.
Now look. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
آمن
آمن.
وقفا.
وكفا.
آمن.
آمن.
آوى.
آوى.
وقفا.
وكفا.
آوى.
آوى.
آنية.
آنية.
وقفا.
وكفا.
آنية.
آنية.
إيلاف.
إيلاف.
وقفا.
وكفا.
إيلاف.
إيلاف.
أين
أين.
وقفا.
وكفا.
أين.
أين.
Okay. So this is for today.